this video, I'm going to explain you how to create a proposal on SubOffice Project Management Platform. Firstly, you go on to sub-office.com and then you go on the right hand corner, top corner, and click on sign up. This is also the screen to log in. You enter your email ID and password, and if you are not registered here, so you can click on register button here and then fill in the organization information and the contact information and create your account, and we are offering 30-day free trial, so you can take advantage of that. If you are already the user, click on login and email ID and password, and then if you logged in, you will see the project dashboard or the organization dashboard here. um, at this point, your account setting and the email configuration is all set up. If it hasn't already, you can watch my previous video on how to set up the account and email configuration. In that video, I gave the direction on how to do the email configuration and how to set up your account setting, which is only one-time process. It will, explain you what you need to do there. So I'm at the organization dashboard. This is obviously showing me the company data. Now, let's say I want to send the proposal. This is the list of the proposal I sent in the previous. Now I want to send a new proposal. At this point, the proposal ID is created automatically. It's a linear sequence, so a 13th proposal is already created. This is the 14th one. It will show you prepared by, it will show, you can select the employee name. In this case, I am the one who is sending, so admin web dweb. That's my user profile in this platform, but you can also select other employees from here. Recipient name is very important. This is the client's detail. In this case, I'm going to click on my dummy client, which is rvt1400@yahoo.com. I'm just using this as a dummy entry, but you can actually create your client's profile in contact, and if you haven't created anything, this will basically, you can also add contacts from this button here. All right, so I selected the contact information. Now it's time for project name, which is going to be the let's say test. Project address, I can select any address in United States. This is again the sample. If you have the start date or end date, please select that. So in this case, let's say it starts on January 1st and then it ends on February 28th. Hit OK. If you have a drawing reference number, let's say if you are bidding from issued for construction set, you click on here, and then the drawing usually have the date, so you select the drawing date. Now this is the standard template that we are using. It has the product and service category, item description, quantity, and item unit price. This is the most universal proposal format that we found and our platform supports. If you have a different proposal requirement, please get in contact with us and we can accommodate your request. But let's start with the standard format, product and service. Let's say it's material, and you are basically saying project material cost. You input quantities and you input the cost here and add item, and then you can add multiple items here, like labor for level 1, and then here put some description on, and then quantity, which is 6. Let's just say 6. And then, so let's say this is my proposal. It's a short project of $420,000. Now I get 3 options here. I can also hide the unit cost and prices. We get that sometimes the subcontractors want to hide the unit price and the total, so you can select here and it will hide basically these 2 columns, but the quantity will remain in the proposal. Now if you don't want to hide and just simply send this, you get 3 options here. Save will simply save the proposal, not send anybody, so you can edit in future. Save and preview option will basically put all this information into the nice PDF format, and then have your company branding. In this case, this is my my company name. The proposal ID is automatically date sent, which is today's date, valid till. So in my account setting, I say 30 days. So this is date sent plus 30 days automatically. Project name, this is the information I fed. And then same here, it also has the prepared by. So in case the client has some query, he can always contact you. And then this schedule of values that we inputted, and then signature page with terms and condition that you already defined in your account setting. If you want to send, like once you save that, it will show up in the here. You can double click it, edit the proposal, and okay, you decided to send it. So you can say update an email. Now this will basically draft an email. So it will say like from to, so you can see like how your client will see the email which you are about to send from your email ID. In this case, the CC and everybody is decided. I mean, you can also add the email ID. If you have any other email ID you want to CC, you can click here and add that. This is the standard template that we are using, and then this is the proposal PDF. Again, you already saw that. Now send an email. This will, what will it will do is this will use your credential and basically send it from your email ID, which I'm going to show you in a little bit, but it will also change the status to pending, sent. This pending is not sent. So once you send the email, it will say send. Now let me show you the, okay, so I'm going to show you. This is the webdrawingweb@gmail.com. This is the email I used for my company. This is my company email address. So in the sent folder, you can see the proposal, the project name, and all those things. And then you can see the attachment as a PDF. Now, if I'm client, this is what I see. Web drawing web proposal, and then basically the same stuff here, and then the PDF, so they can actually see that, and then make the decision. So as you can see, like this is very easy, and you can manage all your proposal from the SubOffice platform. Once you create this proposal into a project, it will say accepted. We get it that some of the proposal are not accepted, so you can always change the status by clicking on the proposal tab, and then in the status you can always change the status from here, and then manage all your proposal from one platform.